Your inbox can feel like scaling Mount Everest in flip-flops, but the right email app can turn it into a thrilling downhill ski. Let's explore the top 5 email contenders, diving deep into their functionalities, strengths, and compatibility to help you find your perfect digital mailroom match. Gmail. Gmail holds the throne for a reason. It seamlessly integrates with Google's Digital Kingdom, offering you 15 GB of free storage to hoard those memes and travel itineraries. Its interface is familiar and user-friendly, while powerful spam filters keep the junk mail monsters at bay. Advanced features like snooze let you postpone emails for that perfect zen moment, while labels and search tools put the organized in disorganized. Think of Gmail as your digital butler, managing your email life with effortless efficiency. Gmail boasts unparalleled integration with Google's ecosystem, generous free storage, robust spam filtering, and a user-friendly interface. Advanced features like snooze, labels, and powerful search make it a productivity powerhouse. Outlook. For the corporate warriors, Outlook is the undisputed champion. It's the BFF of the Microsoft Office suite, seamlessly integrating with calendars, contacts, and all those spreadsheets you love. Its professional interface screams business, with robust organization tools and features like email delegation and shared inboxes that make teamwork a breeze. If you live in the Microsoft ecosystem, Outlook is your one-stop shop for email mastery. This is best for Office integration. Outlook shines with seamless integration with Microsoft Office Suite, calendars, and contacts. It offers a professional interface, excellent organization tools, and advanced features like email delegation and shared inboxes. Ideal for business users. Spark. For productivity ninjas, Spark is the Yoda of email apps. It utilizes AI to prioritize your inbox, making sure the urgent emails scream for attention while the newsletters snooze peacefully. Swiping gestures let you manage emails with the flick of a wrist, while collaborative tools like shared drafts and team inboxes turn email into a seamless team sport. Spark is your secret weapon for crushing your inbox and reclaiming your time. This shines for its productivity, as Spark takes email management to the next level with features like smart inbox prioritization, swiping gestures for quick actions, and collaborative tools like shared drafts and team inboxes. Perfect for busy professionals and those seeking a streamlined workflow. Apple Mail. And for the Apple users, how can we forget you? If you live within the Apple orchard, Apple Mail is your email soulmate. It effortlessly integrates with your Mac and iOS devices, making the transition between devices as smooth as butter. The interface is clean and uncluttered, with intuitive organization tools that let you manage your emails without needing an instruction manual. For Apple users seeking a simple and reliable email experience, Apple Mail is the perfect companion. With its USP for Mac and iOS users, Apple Mail seamlessly integrates with Apple devices and iCloud, offering a smooth experience across your ecosystem. It boasts a clean interface, easy organization tools, and intuitive integration with other Apple services. Ideal for Apple users seeking simplicity and integration. ProtonMail. For the privacy-conscious, ProtonMail is the Fort Knox of emails. It's like Batman patrolling your inbox, with end-to-end encryption and zero-knowledge policies ensuring your messages stay locked tighter than Fort Knox's vault. While the interface might not be the flashiest, its built-in VPN adds an extra layer of security, making it a haven for those who value their digital privacy above all else. ProtonMail prioritizes privacy with end-to-end encryption, zero-knowledge policies, and built-in VPN. Although its interface may be less intuitive, security-conscious users will appreciate its robust encryption features. In simple words, if you are looking for the best security, you got it. There you have it, now just pick one according to your own need and demand to make your life easier. And for more, just subscribe to this channel and do comment if we missed out on any of your favorite one.